Today I'm going to talk to you about why the Breville Smart Oven 900 timer stops working. This is the switch that controls the timer. Located on the left side. When the door opens, it should be remaining down, because then the timer will stop and it will not proceed to count down. See if you open the door and close it a few times, it might stay, but most of the times it doesn't. And even though my mom thinks that she can slam the door closed and thinks she'll fix it, it doesn't really help it. It just makes it worse. You also have two options to fix this Breville oven timer issue. The first option is move this middle piece slightly upwards. And the second option is, which is the easier way, bring this metal spring from the bottom hole to the top hole. And this may work. As you can see, it's working right now. For a week, I've fixed this oven issue. And that's the Breville timer issue. Now, make sure to put all the screws back in the right place and tell your mom not to slam the oven door too many times.